Here's a short video on how to delegate AD permissions to technicians using ADManager Plus. ADManager Plus simplifies AD delegation for you. In addition to AD delegation, you can also delegate Office 365 and G Suite operations to technicians using ADManager Plus. Also, permissions assigned to technicians through ADManager Plus are product specific. That is, the permissions assigned using ADManager Plus do not hinder with the actual AD permissions of the user. Let us now look at the steps on how to delegate permissions to a technician using ADManager Plus. Step 1. Create a role. Log on to ADManager Plus and click on the AD Delegation tab. Click on Help Desk Roles option. You can either modify an existing role or create a new custom role. To create a custom role, click on Create New Role. Enter the role name. As we can see, we can granularly delegate permissions to technicians using this window. I want to delegate the AD management and AD reporting actions to this technician. In addition to these, I also want the user to be able to view the dashboard. Hence, I'm going to select this Home option. I also want this technician to be able to access the workflow. Hence, I'm going to select the Workflow Configuration option. You can select any action that you want to delegate and click on Save Role. We have successfully created a Help Desk role. Step 2. Create a technician and assign the role to that technician. Click on Help Desk Technicians. Click on Add New Technician. Select the domain of your choice. Select the AD user or group to whom you want to delegate control to. Select the Help Desk role that we just created. You can also select other roles from this predefined list. Click on OK. Select the OUs for which this particular technician can exercise the chosen role. Select the Impersonate as Admin option if the permissions granted to the technician in ADManager Plus are not granted in AD. Once the Impersonate as Admin option is selected, the technician can perform those operations as the admin account will be used to authenticate against AD. Click on Save. You can also use this Edit option to modify the domains and the OUs in which the technician can exercise the given role. You can also add or remove the Help Desk roles that are given to this technician. AD delegation in ADManager Plus is template specific. For instance, you can assign a template that a technician must use while creating a user. You can also delegate file servers on which technicians can perform file server management operations. You can also select the groups that must be visible to the technician. You can also choose the Office 365 tenant account that is to be delegated to the technician. Similarly, you can also choose the G Suite account that you want to delegate to the technician. Click on Save. So when you log on to ADManager Plus using the domain credentials of that technician, you can perform all the actions that are delegated to that technician for that specific OU within that specific domain.